All right, one of the things that I love more about Canva is how you can use the text and you can make it look all kind of different ways and all that. In fact, you can make it look like a curve as well. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So obviously you're going to come here to Canva and I'm going to use kind of like a thumbnail or something like that just to show you guys. I'm going to click on this design that I've done here in the past just to give you a quick look. And actually, I don't like this one. Let me just start over real quick just to give you a quick idea. I'm going to take all this stuff off. Then I'm going to come right here to upload, use one of my motorcycles that I have used in the past. I kind of like that one right there. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove the background. So I'm going to go to edit right here. I'm going to go to BG remover and very quickly the background is going to disappear. I love that about Canva. It does that very quickly. You can see how nice that looks. Let's change the background a little bit. Go here to the left, to the bottom. Let's pick a background that is a little bit more visible. So like that, the motorcycle kind of reflect. And I kind of like that. Make it nice and big right here. And now I'm going to use the words, right? I'm going to use the text. I'm going to come here to text. And again, as you can see, there's lots of different setups in here, lots of different design. Obviously, I have the Pro, the one that costs money every single month. But I'm going to just use a regular one that I have used in the past. And let's go ahead and do this right here. And let's go ahead and write Harley Davidson. I'm going to make that white. I like the letters white, as you can see. And now I'm going to make it nice and curvy. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on the words right here. And I'm going to come here to the top. It says effect. I'm going to click right there. And as you can see here, you can do multiple different things. You can put a little bit of a shadow. You can do this right here. And again, you can play with this as much as you want, right? I'm going to make it black right there. So again, it's a lot of flexibility. But if you go down here to the bottom, it says curve. So now I'm going to click here, curve. And you can see how it is curved right there, right? And the cool thing about this is that as obviously, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Obviously, it's covering the motorcycle. So it looks kind of weird right there. You could kind of give a little bit of the curving right there, as you can see, right? I could even go the opposite, right? So I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to come here and just give it a little bit. Maybe right there, maybe make it a little bit smaller. Let's try to set it up in a way that it kind of looks good. Make the motorcycle look a little bit smaller. And you see that right there, right? So again, effect, go all the way to the bottom and you kind of play with the curve. In fact, I could go a little bit less if I want to. I could also come here on the right turn and kind of flip it a little bit like this, kind of give her a better look. Again, you kind of have to play with it, kind of make it look good, right? Essentially, there you have it. That's pretty much how you curve any tech on Canva. Let me know what you think, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.